What's up, everybody? My name is Hubert, aka ReallyHubert, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna be learning how to tie a DURAG. If that's what you came here for, let's go. So the first thing you want to do is get your DURAG, and then you open it up, and then you just put it on your head. And you make sure it's all even around your head, you know? Nothing's poking out or too high or, you know? It's all laying down on your head, like this. All right, cool. So you want to get these two straps, and then you take one. I like to start with the right because I'm right-handed. You put it behind your ear, and then you hold it. You bring it around your other ear on top, of course, and then you put it across your forehead. Make sure everything, like the other side, isn't moving. Make sure it's tight. Then you bring it around like this, and you just hold that right there. Then you get this side, the other side. You do the same thing. You put it behind your ear, and you bring it around. Make sure it's, flat and not rolled up. And you bring it around your forehead again and around your ear, and then you tie it in the back. So you have these two, and you just tie it. You don't want to tie it too tight because then you'll have hard DURAG lines, and you don't really want that. When you're done tying it, what you do is pull down if your DURAG feels like it's, riding up. Make sure everything's flat, and you're done. That's how you tie a DURAG. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. I really appreciate it. Until the next video, bye.